Hello students, welcome you all once again to my video. This is part 3 of the same story, The Fun They Had. Students, in this story we will start from here. So please pay attention and let me explain the story, the rest of the story. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind to each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Margie refers to a machine teacher. She says that her mother told her that the machine had to be tuned to the level of each boy or a girl who was studying from it. So each child has to be taught separately depending on their level. Next line. Just the same, they didn't do it the way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Tommy replied that in the past they did not do it that way. He got irritated at Margie and said that she need to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. Margie is interested in the book. She is curious to know what kind of school were there. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Margie was inquisitive. She wanted to know what kind of school there in were the past, as she felt that they were fun. They weren't even half finished. Then Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie had read just half of the book when her mother called her, as it was time for her to attend her virtual school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Margie's school was in next room, next to her bedroom. She said to her mother that not yet. She did not want to go to school. Now, said Mrs. Jones. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie's mother said to Tommy that it was time for him to go to school too. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the books some more with you after school?" Margie was so interested in reading the book that she asked Tommy if she could read the book with him after school. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm, means carelessly. So Tommy said carelessly that maybe. Tommy tried to ignore her and said that maybe she could read it. He walked away whistling, a dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the book. He placed the book under his arm and he went off to his home. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Margie reached her school. It was a room next to her bedroom. It was a virtual classroom. There was a machine teacher for Margie. It was on and it was waiting for her to begin teaching her. It was always on. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Margie studied all the days except Saturdays and Sundays at the same time from this mechanical teacher. Margie's mother was very particular. She said she had told Margie that she would learn better if she would study every day at the same time. Next line. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on to the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." Margie sat in front of the machine similar to a computer, and the machine was turned on. It said that the lesson of the day was in arithmetic and the topic was addition of proper fraction. Further, it instructed her to insert the homework for the previous day in the slot for inserting the homework. Margie did so with a shy. Margie did so with a shy. Means Margie's life is also very mechanical, just like a machine. There is no fun in her classroom. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Margie is thinking of the story told to her by her grandfather. Her grandfather told her that his grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with the machine, she is reminded of that life. So here we have completed the story and its explanation. I hope, student, you have understood. So ultimately we have come to know that Margie and Tommy, they are in the future and they are learning through computers and machines. There is no real book, there is no real teacher, so they are learning with the help of digital platforms. I hope, students, you have understood, and we have completed the first story of class 9 Beehive, the fun they had. If you have any problem, then you may call me or I'll send you some questions of the related chapter, and you have to download it and then you have to solve. Thank you very much. Bye.